Hello dear students, once again welcome back to our channel. I am your maths teacher CG ma'am. We are continuing exercise 3.3. Okay, and the word problems, this comes under question number 3 and we have 5 problems. Okay, so we are moving to the first question. Okay, we can expect one question from this exercise for the examination. Okay, yes children. See, in the first question, we have two numbers and the difference between the two numbers is given as 26. And one more clue, one number is 3 times the other and we have to find out those numbers. Okay, so here we have two clues. Under this we can form the equation and we can solve those numbers. Okay, the first clue is the difference between two numbers is 26. So first what we can take, let the numbers be x and y. And since it is given that the difference between two numbers, that is x minus y. So if you are taking x and y, let it x is greater than y, because in subtraction that we are usually subtracting the small number from the greater number. So we are taking x greater than y. Understood? So since the difference is 26, the difference between two numbers, since x is a greater number, so we have to write the greater number first. That is usually we are doing. Okay, so x minus y is equal to 26. This can be equation number 1. Okay, what is the second clue? One number is 3 times the other. That means the first number x is equal to 3 times the other. 3 into y. 3 times, that is 3 into the other number is y. Okay, so x is greater, since x is greater than y, that is we have taken, so that is okay in this second equation also. That comes to be equal. Okay, that is x is equal to 3y. Okay, so we are going to substitute the value of this can be equation number 2. We are solving by substitution method. So I am going to substitute the value of x equal to 3y in the first equation. Quite simple. Okay, so therefore equation 1 becomes, okay, since from equation 2 as such it is 3y, that is x can be replaced with 3y in the second equation. Okay, so 3y minus the second term y is equal to 26 implies this 3y and y, they are like terms that can be subtracted. So 3 minus 1, the coefficient of y here is 1. So that is 2y is equal to 26 and y will be 26 by 2, that is 2, 13. 2 in 2 one time and 2 in 6 3 times. So we have y is equal to 13. We have to find out those numbers, so you just substitute here. In order to get x, since x is equal to 3 into y, okay, so here y can be substituted as 13, so 3 into 13 is 39. Okay, so we have now two numbers, that is 39 and 13. What is the difference? 26. Okay, so this is all about the first question. Now we are solving the second question. In this question, we have given the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the other, the smaller angle, by 18 degree and we have to find them. Okay, supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so let the angles be x and y. Okay, y degree. Okay, since they are supplemented to each other, okay, that means we have, from there we have one equation, first equation, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. And we have one clue, that is the larger of these supplementary angles. So we have taken x as a larger angle. Okay, so x will be, x exceeds the smaller by 18. Exceeds means you have to add. Times, 3 times means we have to multiply. Okay, in the previous case 3 times. Okay, here that is smaller angle plus 18. Okay, that will be the larger angle. Okay, the larger angle exceeds the smaller by 18 since we have taken y as a smaller angle. So plus 18 will be that larger angle. This can be equation number 2 and x plus y is equal to 180. That is not given, but that is understood since they are supplementary to each other. Okay, so the next is very simple. We can just substitute the value of x as y plus 18 in equation 1. Okay, so this 1 becomes, that is y, this x can be replaced with y plus 18 degree and this y. Okay, x is y plus 18 and y is equal to 180 degree. So we can add the like terms, that is y plus y is 2y by taking this constant to RHS. So plus 18 become minus 18. Before that we have to write this term already in the RHS is 180 minus 18 and this will be 162. This is 2y and in order to get y from this 162 by 2. Okay, so 2 in 16 8 times and in 2 1 time, that is 81 degree. That is smaller angle, y is equal to 18 degree. So what is according to the question? The larger exceeds the smaller by 18. We have the equation, so x will be y is 81 plus 18. So this will be 99 degree. So the larger is 99 degree and the smaller angle is 81 degree. So this is all about the second question. Now we are solving the third question. Here the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. And in the next case, she has bought 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. We have to find out the cost of 1 bat and the cost of 1 ball. Okay, so what is asked here? We need to find out the cost of 1 bat. So let it be rupees x and the cost of 1 ball as rupees y. Okay, and here also we have 2 conditions. Where we have 2 conditions with the 2 variables, that only method is form pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, under the first condition we will get easily first equation, that is in the first case she has bought 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. So if we have taken the cost of 1 bat as rupees x, so 7 bat 7x by unitary method. Okay, and 6 balls, cost of 1 ball is y and 6 balls is 6y. So together the amount paid, that means we have to add, and that is given as rupees 3,800. So we have the first equation, that is 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. This can be equation number 1. And in the second case, she buys 3 bats, so 3x. Okay, so 3x plus 5 balls. The cost of 1 ball is y, so 5 ball 5y. Okay, by unitary method. Okay, 5y is equal to 1,750. This can be equation number 2. So we have formed under the given condition. So next part is solving by substitution method. Okay, so what is the rule? We have to express any one of the variable with respect to the other. Okay, either from equation 1 or from equation 2. Okay, compared to this equation 2 has the smaller coefficient 3x and 5y. Okay, so I am going to represent equation 2 with respect to 3x. Okay, any variable, that doesn't matter, that is purely upon our own convenience. Okay, so from 2, see, I am going to express the equation 2 with respect to the term 3x. Okay, so 3x alone. So 1,750 and minus 5y. We need x alone. So 1,750 minus 5y divided by this 3 will go under division. So 3. So this can be equation number 3. Steps are clear, children? So how we formed and how we solved the same steps we are following. Okay, so now we are going to substitute for x in equation 1. Okay, we have this value from equation 2, so therefore 1 becomes Okay, 1 become, okay, I am going to substitute for x in equation number 1. That is 7 into x is 1750 minus 5y by 3. Okay. And the second term 6y. After substitution we have an equation with only one variable here, that is y, with y. So here since 7 is not the multiple, okay, we have to take this 3 to here, that is by cross multiplication. Okay, so this will be this 3 into 6, 18 whole divided by 3. Okay, so this 3 will go with this 6. So 3 into 6 is 18 whole divided by this 3. Understood? This is clear, children? Okay, and in the next step what we can do, this 3 will go to RHS. Okay, so that is the next step, that is I am going to take this 3 to RHS. See, after multiplying this 3 with this 6, okay, so this 3 for all the terms whole divided by 3, that is the LCM method or cross multiplication method. So in the next step we can take this 3 to RHS. Clear, children? Okay, so into 3. I think the steps are clear. Okay, now what is the next step? Here we can multiply, open the bracket using distributive property. This 7 is for both the terms inside the bracket, that is 1750 into 7. Okay, that is 175 into 7, 35, 3 carries, 49 plus 3, 52, 5 carries. So 7 plus 5, 12. So we have 1, 2, 25 and this 0. Minus 35y, 7 into 5, 35y. Now the next term is 18y becomes 3800 into 3. So 30, non-zero number we can multiply, then we can add these two zeros. So 8 3s are 24, 2 carries, 3 3s are 9 and 9 plus 2, 11, and we can add these two zeros. So 11,400 comes in the RHS. Now we can solve for y. We can add together that like term, the term containing variable alone by taking this into RHS. So what will be there? Some minus 35y plus 18y can be added since they are like terms. Okay, so minus 35 and 18. 35 minus 18 is 17. 35 minus 18. Okay, so minus 17y. Understood? And we can take this to RHS. So minus, this is positive. So we have 11,400 minus 12,250. Now we can subtract, okay, 12,250 should be, from this we can subtract 11,400. Okay, so 0, 5, borrowing 8, 850. Okay, so 850, negative 850 because 12,200 negative sign. Okay, here we have negative 17y. So y will be negative, negative get cancelled. Okay, so 850 divided by 17. Okay. See children, how this can be divided, since 17 is a prime number. Okay, so which can be the multiple when with the unit place 5. Okay, that is 7 into 5, 35. If you multiply this 17 into 5, let us see children, 35, 3 carries, 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 85. Yes. So here 17 in 85. How many times? 5 times. Okay, so and this 0, so 50. What we have taken? We have given the variable y for the cost of one ball. Okay, that is cost of one ball is 50 rupees. Okay, and now we can we have to find out the cost of one bat. Okay, for that we are going to substitute the value of y in equation number 3. Usually what we are doing. Okay, so hence you can easily get x. Here we have expression for x, that is 1750 minus 5y. 5y means 5 into y. Here now y is 50, we have seen. Whole divided by 3. Understood? So 1750 minus 5 5s are 25 and this 0 250 divided by 3. Okay, so we can subtract 1750, okay, minus 250 is very simple, 0 5, that is 1500, okay, 500 divided by 3. Okay, very simple calculation, 3 in 15, 5 and these two zeros, that is 500. So now we have the value of x in ordered pair, that is 500 for the cost of 1 bat and rupees 50 for cost of 1 ball. That is what is asked in this question. Is it clear, children? Now we are solving the fourth question. The taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with the charges for the distance covered. For a distance of 100 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. And for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for a travelling of a distance of 25 km? This is the question. Clear, children? Here also we have two situations. That means for 10 km the amount paid is given as rupees 105 and for 15 km we have given the amount paid is rupees 155. Okay, and what is asked finally? What is the amount one person have to pay for a journey of 25 km, the amount paid? Okay, see children, what is asked in the, we have two sub questions here. We have to find out the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer. Understood? So we can take the variable for these two unknowns. Let the fixed charge is rupees x and charge per kilometer is rupees y as usual. Okay, see children, what is this 105? This 105 is together with the fixed charge, two amount together, that is the amount for fixed charge and the amount for a journey of 10 km. This includes fixed charge and charge for 10 km. Okay, so we have taken the fixed charge as x and charge per kilometer as y, and the first case she has travelled, okay, 10 km. For 1 km y, so 10 km 10y. So together fixed charge together with 10 kilometers of journey, that means 105 she paid, that is 10y is equal to 105. Let it be equation number 1. In the second case, okay, there is a journey of 15 km and for that journey she paid 155 rupees. For this also it is the combination of fixed charge as well as charge for 15 kilometers. Okay, x is a fixed charge and 15 kilometers, charge per kilometer is y, so 15y. So let it be equation number 2. Okay, the same way we can form the equation, the amount, okay, the amount for 25 kilometers journey, 25 kilometer or 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer, it includes fixed charge plus charge per kilometer. So x is the amount for 25 kilometers journey, that is x plus 25y. Understood? So first we have to solve these two equations by substitution method. Okay. So it's very quite simple problem. Okay, we can express any one of the equation with respect to the variable. I am taking, since the coefficient of x is 1, from 1, equation 1, we will get x is equal to 105 minus 10y, when it goes to RHS, minus 10y. Okay, because of this value, this we are going to substitute in equation number 2. We have equation 2 as x plus 15y. We have now the value of x. We are going to substitute this in terms of y, x in terms of y. That is 105, okay, minus 10y for x. Okay, 2 becomes, and next term is 15y is equal to 155. See here it reduced into single variable, linear equation in one variable. Okay, so we can add together these like terms y, that is minus 10y plus 15y is 5y. 10 minus 10 plus 15 plus 5y is equal to 155, and 105 will be in negative because we are changing LHS into RHS. Okay, so 155 minus 105 is 50. Okay, this is 50 and this is 5y, and y will be 50 divided by 5, that is rupees 10. That is rupees 10 is, what is why we have taken charge per kilometer. Okay, that is y, that is we have got as rupees 10, and we can now the value equation with into get value of x is x is equal to 105 minus 10y. 105 minus 10y means 10 into y. Okay, that is 100 minus 105 minus 10 tens are 100, that is 5. 105 minus 100 is 5. That what is y? What is x? X is the fixed charge. So now we have the variables, the values of the variables, that is x and y, as 5 and 10. Is it clear, children? This is a way to solve the values for x and y by method of substitution. Okay, and the second part, what is asked? What is amount for a journey of 25 kilometer? We already formed the equation for that. The amount is equal to x plus 25y, and now we have the values of x and y. We are going to substitute in that. Okay, that is 5 plus 25y into 10. Y is 10 and fixed charge 5, that is 5 plus 250, that is 255 rupees. This is the amount for A represents amount for 25 kilometers journey. So this is all about this fourth question. Okay, now we are moving to the next one. Now we are solving the fifth question. It's very simple question. Okay, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 when 2 is added with both the numerator and the denominator, and it becomes 5 by 6 if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. We have to find out that fraction. So as usual, how can we start? Let the required fraction be x and y. Here variables are in place of numerator and the denominator. So we have to find out x and y by solving under the given two situation. Okay, so if we are adding 2 to both the numerator and the denominator, we are supposing that that fraction is x by y. Okay, if we are adding 2 with this numerator and also 2 with the denominator, it will become 9 by 11. This is first case according to the question. Okay, in the second case, what happens? Okay, if we are adding 3 to the numerator and 3 to the denominator, okay, we have assumed that x and y, x by y is a fraction, so we are adding 3 to both. Okay, so it will reduce in, it will be 5 by 6. Under these two conditions, we have to find out that required fraction. Okay, by suitable method of substitution. Okay, that is we are going to solve these two. Okay, yes children, here both sides are in fraction form. Okay, and if we have denominator, how can we convert this into an equation, simple equation, that is without a denominator? How can we write this without denominator? By cross multiplication. This x plus 2 must be divided with 11 and y plus 2 with 9. This is what we call cross multiplication. The same way here also this 6 can be taken to numerator along with x plus 3, cross multiplication, and this denominator y plus 3 can be taken to RHS along with 5 by multiplication. 11 can be taken to numerator in this manner. 11 into x plus 2 equal to y plus 2 along with 9. So 9 into y plus 2. Okay. So what we will get, we can open the bracket using distributive property, that is 11 into x, 11x, plus 11 into 2, 22. And in RHS, 9 into y, 9y, plus 9 into 2, 18. This 9 is both the terms inside the bracket. Now we can take this variable 9y to LHS. So 11x is already there. Then minus 9y equal to the RHS constant 18. Now we are taking this 22 LHS from to RHS. So negative 22. So negative 22 plus 18. That is 22 minus 18 is 4. That is negative 4. This is equation number 1. How we found the first equation is clear, children? Under cross multiplication to remove the denominator. Okay. So in the same way, x can be taken along with x plus 3 in the numerator. The same way y plus 3 will go along with 5 under multiplication. 5 into y plus 3. So open the bracket. 6x plus 3 equal to 5y plus 5 into 3 is 15. Here 6 into 3 is 18. So 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So I am taking the variable terms 5y to LHS, so minus 5y. So 15 is already there in RHS, and the constant plus 18 minus 18 in RHS. So 15 minus 18 is minus 3. Okay, so this is equal to minus 3. So what is equation number 2? 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. This is equation number 2. Now we can apply the substitution method. Okay, that means we can express equation 1 in terms of x, that is 11x alone in LHS. So 11x is equal to from equation 1, okay, 11x alone, okay, there RHS negative 4 and minus 9y become plus 9y, and we need x alone, that is negative 4 plus 9y divided by 11. This is equation number 3. So we have now the value of x. That is what we are going to substitute in equation number 2. From 1, we are substituting the value as x in equation number 2. That means, therefore, 2 becomes, okay, 2 becomes, because of 3, I am going to substitute the value of x as negative 4 plus 9y divided by 11. Understood? And this second term is negative 5y, second term, equal to minus 3. See children, this is a fraction with the denominator 11 minus 5y. Unlike terms should be subtracted how? By cross multiplication. That means this 11 into 5, 55 whole by 11. By after cross multiplication, this will be the step, equal to negative 3. And in the next step, this denominator can be taken to RHS under multiplication. So this 11 become numerator, that is 11 into negative 3, that is negative 33. This is what? This after simplification of this LHS, you can equate that RHS part as negative 33. Understood? So we are going to open the bracket with multiplying with 6 each terms inside the bracket. 6 into 4, that is 24 minus 4. 6 9s are 54y. Okay, so plus 54y, and the next term is minus 55y equal to negative 33. Understood? Now see children, here we have two terms in variable y that can be added. Okay, that is 54y minus 55y. Okay, so the coefficient 54 minus 55 minus 1. Minus 1y is simply minus y equal to minus 33, and this minus 24 to RHS plus 24. So 33 minus 24 minus 33, 24 means subtract and give the sign of the 33. That is 9, negative 9. This is the value of y, not the value of y. We have to yet to be one more step. Minus y minus 9 get cancelled. So y is equal to 9. Minus n can be cancelled from both sides. So we got now the denominator. In the required fraction y we have taken as the denominator. Now we need the numerator x. That is quite simple. We have an equation in x, that is equation number 3. We are going to substitute the value of y and 9 in equation 3. Negative 4 plus 9 into 9 divided by 11. That means simple calculation. Negative 4 plus 81 divided by 11. Okay, 81 minus 4, 77. Okay, division, subtraction. So 77 minus 11, 11 in 77, 7 times. So we have x is equal to 7. That is, numerator is 7, denominator is 9. So what is the required fraction? 7 divided by 9. This is the required fraction. Now we are solving the last question. It's very simple question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present age? What is our children? The present age of a father, that is Jacob, and his son. So let it be x and y. The present age of Jacob is x and that of his son is y. Here also we have two conditions, two cases. Okay, that is future and past. Under this we can easily form an equation. Both the equation after solving we will get the values of x and y. That is the procedure. Okay, yes children, how can we form under under these two conditions children? In case 1, 5 years after means future, will be, Jacob's age will be, the present age we have taken x. So after 5 years, his age will be x plus 5. Suppose you have now 15 years. After 5, your age will be 15 plus 5. The same way, Jacob's son is y, we have taken present age. So, okay, after 5 years, automatically both age get changed. We have to add 5 to both age. Okay, and under this condition, how they are connected? Okay, Jacob's age is 3 times his son. This will be equal to 3 times, means into, of his son's age. So that means 3 into y plus 5. Okay, and in the second case, what is given? 5 years ago, present age is x. So ago means we have to subtract 5. Okay, 5 years before your age was 10, that is 15 minus 5. In the same way, what is the present age? X. So before 5 years means we have to subtract 5 from the present age. So x minus 5. So you have to subtract 5 from the age from your son's age, that is y minus 5. How they are connected in the case to 7 times of his son. His son was y minus 5, so it's 7 times. So 7 into, we have to keep that y minus 5 under bracket. So if you solve, you will get the two equations. Is it clear children? Okay. So x minus 5, 7 into y, 7y. X minus 5 equal to 7 into 5, that is 35 minus 35. I am going to take 7y to LHS, so minus 7y, x minus 7y, and this is equal to this minus 5 and go to RHS plus 5, that is negative 35 plus 5, that is negative 30. That is equation number 1. Equation number 2, under the first case we can easily form first equation. So x plus 5 equal to 3y, 3 into 5, 15, this plus 15, I am taking 3x to RLHS, so x minus 3y is equal to 15 and minus 5. What is 15 minus 5 is 10. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Okay, and x minus 7y equal to negative 30 is equation number 2. Now we are going to solve. We are representing x, equation 1 with respect to x, that is from 1, okay, x equal to, I am keeping x alone by taking minus 3y, 10 is already there, so plus 3y. So this is equation number 3. I am going to substitute this value in equation 2. So 2 becomes x, we have 10 plus 3y, 10 plus 3y, and the second term minus 7y equal to the constant RHS negative 30. Okay, so this 3y and 7y can be added or subtracted because being they are like term. So minus 4y equal to minus 30 and this plus 10 come to RHS minus 10. So minus 30 minus 10 minus 40. Okay, and minus sign can be cancelled from both sides. So y we have 40 by 4, that is 10. We have taken y as the percentage of Jacob's son. Okay, and how we get the age of Jacob, we have equation in with respect to x. In x we can, from 3, 10 plus 3 into 10, 10 is the age of Jacob's son. So 10 plus 3 into 10, 30, that is 40. That is the present age of Jacob is 40 and the present age of his son is 10. Okay children, this is all about exercise 3.5 and we have successfully completed all the 6 word problems. Okay, so children practice it well. Thank you children, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you all.